Do you see the camera? Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. So today we are having a very chill, relaxing day. Very gloomy outside. It was raining all night. I slept right through it and I guess no one else did.
Hail was so loud.
I don't think I had hail though.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ours was like, I thought the house was gonna break down.
So my dad went on a 2-week golf trip with his buddies and they went to Atlanta and he brought shrimp. So Grace and I are attempting at a shrimp boil. So let's figure out what recipe I'm gonna use. And we're gonna put some potatoes in there, corn on the cob, sausage in there. We're gonna head to my parents' house later and do our dinner portion of the stuff there. But Grace says she has some leftover green curry, so we might just figure something else out with that. Maybe we can try to be a little fancy and do a little avocado toast.
That sounds good.
Right? Do you have bread?
I have bread.
Okay. As you can tell, Essie is very bleh today too. Here's Essie Poo. Hello. Hello. It's 10:45 and Grace is hungry, so she asked me to start making her lunch. And I decided to make an open face grated egg sandwich with shrimp and avocado and the sauce being a green curry sauce. We got Thai food on Sunday and we had it left in the fridge. So we decided to use it as a sauce for our open face sandwich. I have no idea how it's gonna taste, but let's start off first by grilling our shrimp. Let's drizzle some olive oil and season it with salt, garlic powder, paprika, red pepper, and some black pepper. And next we'll toast up our bread. We're each just gonna share half a piece of ciabatta and cut up our avocados. Let's grate our eggs now. So I'm gonna reuse that pan I cooked the shrimp in, and I'm gonna add a little bit of the curry to just soak up all that seasoning from the shrimp, and that will be our sauce. All right, let's eat. That's so good.
What the heck? It tastes like a Thai sandwich.
Wow, we're eating a lot of shrimp. We're having shrimp for dinner today too. This is really good.
Yeah, I like it.
Thank y'all.
Sounds good. So good. Oh.
What is she doing? Sanding it?
That's how you're supposed to do it, Oh, she's creating it. Oh, that's so cool. I didn't.
Are you gonna do it now? Do it. You do world first?
Yeah. Oh.
Good job! We are at my parents' house now. Grace is taking a little nap and I am just getting some things ready to do this boil. 하이 아빠. 새우 갖고 오는 거지? 하나가 몇 파운드야?
5파운드 많이 돼.
5파운드면 충분할 것 같은데?
파운드면 되잖아.
I thought it was opened. Look.
와, 되게 크다. This is the shrimp.
We finished 5 pounds of shrimp. So in a pan slash pot, I guess in this case, with some olive oil, I'm going to add in all my veggies. And then I'll add the sausages and saute all that together. I'm going to season it with salt, pepper, and I'm actually going to add in a little bit of capsaicin to give it a little spice. And I'm also going to add in some of the Old Bay seasoning just to connect the shrimp boil with the pasta. And now for the sauce, we're going to add in some marinara and some whipping cream as well. I don't know how much to add. I added half. So I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just adding, not really following directions. Right, I added about half of this. Throw in some garlic.
Wow.